What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Chris P, and I'm back with another video. All right, and I promise you guys are gonna love the channel. All right, so make sure that you hit that sub button, that like button. All right, because I'm dropping a shit ton of gems for you guys in the next coming days. All right, I'm trying to do a video a day. So let's keep this thing cranking. All right, in this video, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys, all right, the beauty of trusted signals, all right, and how I'm using this thing to perfection, all right. And I want to show you guys a free indicator and the best free indicator and the best paid indicator. Okay, that's what I want to go ahead and show you. But first, I do want to show you guys this. I actually gave this trade idea yesterday, all right. And basically, I'm using the sniper support and resistance indicator from Trusted Signals. All right, link in the description for that. Plus the auto Fibonacci to basically find my entry points. Okay, I made a video on that previously, so make sure that you guys watch that because it's really a killer. All right, notice how this Fibonacci, all this areas is blue because it already knows that these are areas for your buy entries. All right, and notice how the top of the level is red, so you know that it is going to sell down. Right, this is one of the amazing things about this specific indicator. All right, specifically, so I saw a setup occurring on the 1 hourly. So you know, basically what I did was easily hop in. I ended up making some profits. I'll show you that in a second. All right, and basically what I did was I said, you know, enter here. So I'm trying to give out my own trade ideas. All right, and sure enough, we ended up in profit immediately, and it respected this support line. All right, so it was a beautiful trade. And if you watch this video, this is the video where I kind of explain this strategy. All right, and as you guys can see here, we ended up hitting take profit. All right, I'll actually show some profits right now as well. Let's see where that is. Boom, boom. All right, so boom, look, this is the profits right here. And basically, let's see here. All right, these are the profits right now. As you guys can see here, Kevin Lee, which is a trade analysis, he's actually sending some trades to the group as well. All right, thank you, TS. So we have some other people who are making some money with Trusted Signals. This person, my first trade with real money. All right, profit 16 bucks. All right, and a whole mess of knowledge is going on. All right, so this is how I got the confirmation. All right, and this is my profits from this specific idea that I gave out. So this is my trading from yesterday, guys. Like, look at this, straight blues, no losses, guys. We all eat. I'm trying to make sure that everybody eats with me. And as you guys can see here, you know, I started out, you know, 940 on the day, and you know, come on, we ended up killing it. There's a few other people who joined in the sell with me, which is pretty dope. And that's really like what I love to do. I want to make money, but I would love to go ahead and, you know, help others make money as well. All right, obviously showing off more profits. But guys, let's go ahead and jump into this right here so I can show you guys basically how Trusted Signals has basically changed my I guess my whole account, bro. Like, I can't even front. Like, as you can see here, the beauty of this indicator, guys, is look, this is a 1 minute right now. So this is a brand new completely Fibonacci. This is an auto Fibonacci within Trusted Signals. All right, and this is not even what the video is about, but I do want to, you know, provide as much value in every video. This is auto Fibonacci. So all you have to do is literally click that, all right, and put auto Fibonacci, and it's going to automatically give you key levels on the specific charts. Okay, so basically, as you guys can see here, these are the blue areas. So now you're looking for buys off of these zones. Okay, and the red, okay, is you're looking for sells. So as you guys can see here, Fibonacci is mathematical science. It's like literally numbers of the universe. There's a whole mess of videos on that, but it respects these key levels. So I'm looking at entries on these specific areas, and if you're very patient, you want to wait for it to hit the top of it or the bottom of it. So basically, that's all I did on the 1 hour. All right, on the 1 hour yesterday, it was actually around the top of the Fibonacci. All right, as you guys can see here. So I saw that, boom. I know that I'm selling down, and I got into that trade. Now for this specific video, all right, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys, all right, this is all the indicators that Trusted Signals comes with one membership. So don't think that you're just getting buy and sell signals. It comes with literally all this, plus each these are fully customizable and come with a whole mess of different features in them. I have more videos about that. But all you guys have to do is, for this one, I want to compare the best free indicator that I used to use before Trusted Signals, which is the basic relative strength index. Okay, guys, basic relative strength index. All right, and then I'm also going to show you my favorite indicator, one of my favorite indicators that Trusted Signals provides, which is the divergence oscillator, right? And this divergence oscillator actually gives you over, I think, 11 specific oscillators that you can use, okay? But I wanted to show you the one that I usually use, all right, which is the RSI, and you can actually show divergences, okay, which is going to give you key areas to get into your trades, okay? So now I usually use regular divergences, but guys, this is why it's very, very cool, because as you guys know, here overbought and oversold, all right, is going to be out of these specific channels, all right? But as you guys can see here, with this specific indicator, it's also going to give you the divergence, all right, and give you actual alerts on the chart when to get in and when to sell. So this is a great indicator here, because as you guys can see here, it gave out a bullish notification, and you can get into this, boom, and scalp this up, okay, guys, and exit the trade once you reach overbought and you're exiting the channel here. All right, so this right here, these are the most powerful indicators for my specific strategy. And when you add this with the other indicators and the other confirmations, all right, because remember, you want to find 3 confirmations. All right, you do not want to buy or sell in the middle of certain markets, okay? But look, let's look at this right here, okay? As you guys can see here, we got the bullish. You're going to exit the trade here, okay? You're not entering a trade necessarily right here, but you can actually sell this down because it actually almost reached a Fibonacci level. Plus, on the auto support and resistance, it gave out a resistance level around that Fibonacci. So you can look for a sell here. And of course, you're going to want to wait until it breaks through, once again, okay, breaks through this purple channel. You're going to sell it down, okay? What happens? It breaks through this channel again, and guess what happens, guys? Boom. Now you can get into a buy. All right. Now you're going to know when to exit because you're overbought. Boom. So you're getting out. Now you're staying out. You can now scalp this because now there's a resistance and you're getting a bearish divergence. So that's multiple confirmations. Boom. All right, guys. And this goes back to the past. So these are great indicators. All right. Bullish. And what happened? Bullish on a support line, as you guys can see here, rejection, and then a bullish came out, and guess what? Boom, 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 boom. You're up in profit, guys. And when are you out? You can get out on the second bearish divergence, okay? So this is gonna change your strategy, change your entries, all right, and give you a better, sweeter entry, because not only that, once it's already overbought and oversold, you've already reached almost maximum drawdown. So therefore, if you do enter a trade here, you may go into drawdown, but it's not going to be a drawdown if you enter here on a buy, and now you're in drawdown, you know. So this is just going to help your trading out, guys. These are the best 2 free indicators. Well, one paid, one not paid. But Trusted Signals has so many indicators, it's like a no-brainer. Why don't you just grab this thing? And there's more actually coming out, guys, very soon. So make sure that you do that. Right now, everything is actually on 50% off. So make sure that you guys lock it in. And if you guys use my discount code Crispy, it's going to save you guys another $150. All right. And guys, we're eating out here. I'm trying to go ahead and provide you guys some knowledge. All right. As you guys can see here, you know, this is my cryptocurrency video that I made, and last time I made that, it was like $8,000. We're up today, and I think it's even up more than that. All right, and we just try to provide value in this group. There's a lot more stuff going on. So make sure that you guys join Trusted Signals, use my discount code. Stay tuned for the account giveaway because that is going to come very, very soon. All right, I want you guys to stay tuned because once I hit 2,000 subs, which I'm very, very close, I'm gaining almost 50, 60 subs a day. Guys, sub, drop a comment, hit a like, share this video. Let's get this money. All right, until the next video, I'm out. Peace.